Right people, part 1 of the Syndicate diaries for 2023. Teakettle fisheries over near Whittlesea, near Peterborough. So right, we're here, we're all set up. As soon as I got here it started getting really dark, clouds and stuff. We haven't had any rain yet, but it's definitely took a turn in temperature. It's definitely got a bit colder. So yeah, here we go. I'll turn us around. I'll have a look at I'll show you the peg I'm in. We'll have a look at the water where I'm fishing. And yeah, welcome. So here you go then. We're all set up. Peg 8. And this is a Whittle Mere. As you can see, the bivvy's up. Got no one either side of me. As you see, there's the quarry track where you'll get in. Nicely got fenced. Proper job of that. So here we go. We've got someone literally fishing that peg. Aim finger there. So I've got one. I've got my left hand down this reed bank here. Then I've got two out towards that tree and one towards that gap. Both of them are 18 wraps. They're just single hook baits out there at the minute, both on pop-ups. There's a pop-up down here as well. Got a few free offerings around that, just put out with the catapult. Have seen them rolling in front of me, seen a couple roll. Couple of beeps and stuff like that. Could be the wind though, the wind's starting to get up and it is turned and it's coming straight at me now. I think that's what's making it feel a lot colder. So yeah, we're out fishing. Like I say, the first one on the new Syndicate. Yeah, 13th of May. And like I said, we was at the Crow's Heath social last week, not yesterday. Feels like it was yesterday, but no. So yeah, we're out and rods are out. Fingers crossed we get a bite. Right, quick update. 7 o'clock in the morning. No fish yet. Had a massive drop back on my right hand rod, which is the one that's out towards the centre of the lake, 18 wraps last night. But yeah, nothing there. So yeah, that's about it really. It did get a bit cold last night. It actually dropped, I think, to about 6 degrees, so not mega cold. But yeah, it did drop. So yeah, that's it really people. It is only just a quick overnighter, so I will be packing down soon and clearing off. Got a lot of editing to do, still got the Crow's Heath social video to release onto the channel, so I need to get that edited with work and trying to fish as well. Also I worked yesterday morning, so it only really gave me a quick overnighter. I haven't heard anything down this end of the lake all through the night. So yeah, I'll check back obviously when I'm leaving in a couple of hours time. The rod's going to stay out while I pack down, so while the rods are out there's always a chance in there. So yeah, I'll check back to you guys when I'm leaving off. If not, it'll be with a fish beforehand. We'll see what happens. But yeah. So that's it people, session 1, only a quick overnighter. Yeah, no fish, got that drop back during the night on the right hand rod, but that's it. So yeah, that's all I can say. Hopefully you're liking the videos. If you are, join the Facebook group, like the page, and also give the YouTube channel a like and subscribe. And yeah, until next time, good luck on the bank to you guys, and see you again. Right, morning people. Back on Syndicate again. It's been closed for 2 to 3 weeks now for spawning. So here we are, mid-June, Father's Day tomorrow. So yeah, rods are back out. Got here last night after a day at work, quite late on, so didn't get any video done. So yeah, the rods went out last night, just cut with some PVA bags on it, loads of beeps, but I think there's a lot of silvers in here, so because I was using the small pellet and stuff, I think it was more that than anything actual substantial. Did lose one early hours though this morning, over to the reeds, just over here. I got one out to the left, so yeah, lost one down there. I don't think it was a big one, it didn't feel very big, but took me into the reeds and then just had a hook pull. So yeah, gonna hopefully get these videos all strung together. So yeah, weather's okay. So it's been baking hot all week at work, and now it's a little bit overcast today. Had about 5 minutes of rain 10 minutes ago, but when I say rain, it was like spitting really. There was nothing much at all. Lake is quite busy. My mate Mick and Dale, they're on as well. Dale turned up this morning. Mick was here yesterday morning. They've still not had anything yet. So yeah, rods are out, so there's always a chance. Check back to you guys in a bit. Hopefully going to get some reviews done today as well. Got some new gear. So yeah, we'll have a look at that later. And I will get the videos going, because I know it's been quiet. But we'll get some videos going for you guys. So yeah, we'll speak to you guys later. Hopefully something on the bank. Right, people, so an update. Yeah, about 2 o'clock this afternoon I had one. Went 21.8 mirror. There'll be some pictures on the video. Probably gonna think about packing up, going home this evening rather than first thing tomorrow. Obviously we've got the weather warnings, says there's going to be chances of some rain and thunder, and it's just gone really dead. I haven't seen anything since having that fish. So, oh, saying that, just had a beep. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, this could be the end of the second session. So this will be final video. So yeah, so again, if this is the final part of this video, if you're liking the videos, give us a like and subscribe. Also check out the Facebook and Instagram pages as well. Yeah, hopefully you girls and boys are getting out there as well on the lake having some fun. So yeah, see you next time.